So today I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic about finding niches in KDP, and I know this is a very well demanding topic that you people are looking for, because obviously low niche means that you are having low competition, and low competition means that there is a great probability for your book to rank higher. Yeah, right. So I know this is important, and this is why this is a ninja hack video, I can say, that I'm presenting in front of you guys today. So without wasting time, let's get started. Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Dubey, and in this channel I talk about KDP, and I'm also planning to talk about other passive source of income in future. So if you want such kind of content, please do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. So the today's topic is finding niches, finding profitable niches, and finding those niches which are already best sellers, right? So if something is bestseller, if something is low competition, high demand, what else you need, right? So what I have discovered and how I'm doing it, like from the past couple of days, is I just go to a new tab and I just type Amazon coloring book best selling. Okay, this is what I do, and now I want to look for best coloring book for adults. Okay, let's go with it. Best coloring book for adults, Amazon. Okay, now when you scroll down, you can see here bestsellers in coloring book for grown-ups. I will open it in a new tab, and I will not go for this one, amazon.in, because it is basically for India, but we are targeting US market, right? That is amazon.com. So always go for this amazon.com site. Now once you go there, you can see that these are some of the best sellers in coloring books for grown-ups. Okay, also you can choose any department from here which is attracting your interest, but I just want to go with the suggestion that Amazon has suggested me, which is this page, right? So what I will do is I will scroll down and I will start reading the titles. The extension that I'm using here to get the product details on my screen is this one, that is called DS Amazon Quick View. It is a kind of free tool, so you can download it on your laptop. Okay, so you can see here, I can see this book that is just on the first row, is the motivational share motivational swear words coloring book, right? So I will just copy the title, and I will love to see how this book is performing. Obviously it is bestseller, it is performing great, but how this particular niche is performing, and if there is any probability that I can make books in this niche, right? So I will go ahead here, and I will just type motivational swear words coloring book. Once I do, you can see I have 874 search results, which is very good, because I have repeated this thing a lot in my previous videos as well, that to choose any keyword or to choose any niche, I just look for two things. The first thing is that I target on those niches or keywords who have search result less than 1000, which is obviously satisfying my first criteria. And my second criteria is I look for three books with BSR 300,000, because obviously I want them to sell, and I have discussed the reason a lot of times. So yeah, so now I'm looking for three books with BSR less than 300,000 or equal to 300,000. So I will scroll down, and I will not consider these books because these are sponsored and these are not KDP. Okay, so I'm not gonna take these two. So this one is obviously selling very good, but just 285. Let's move further. This one, this is selling very good as well, because the ranking is 6684, which is quite amazing. I will move again 6830, which is again a good one. Again I got first one, that is 129,458. So you can see all these four books that I have just looked up, these all BSR are less than 300,000, which is the great thing and which is what I'm looking for, right? So definitely this is a great niche to go for. You can explore it a bit more by scrolling down, and you can see here I got one more book with BSR 162,221. Okay, I got one more book with BSR 134,683. So you can see all these rankings are less than 300,000. I do not even need to go down because all the books that I am getting right now is having a BSR less than 300,000, and this is what I want. So obviously just by this page I got one great niche in just like minutes. Okay, so I got my first niche to work on. I will go ahead, I will just explore it bit like what it looks like, and I will start working on these books. Okay, similarly you can just go ahead and you can look for some another books which is profitable. So what I will do is I will scroll down and I will start looking for some other books. For example, this one, amazing patterns. Amazing patterns. And also do not forget to remember that you have to be very careful while choosing these titles, because you have to go through a trademark research, and after that only go and make your books. Okay, I have talked about trademarks a lot in my other videos, and I have a specific video for trademark as well. So if you haven't checked it out, go and check it out, and then please go ahead and do this research and start making books. Okay, so yeah, I got one more, I guess this one, amazing patterns, but I want to check the trademark obviously. So I will go ahead and I will look for the tool. So this is the trademark. Okay, this is basic word, and I will just put here live summit. So this is not at all trademark word, so I can use it freely. Now I just want to check how this niche is performing. So amazing patterns, and you can see I get a lot of suggestions by Amazon. So you can choose any one of this and you can start looking for your profitable niche. So I just randomly I selected this one, that is amazing patterns adult coloring book stress relieving mandala style, and I got 111 search result which is satisfying our first criteria. Now I'm looking for three books with BSR less than 300,000. So I got this one, that is 438. I will move further. These are sponsored and these are not KDP, so obviously I'm not gonna take it. Let's move further. I got second one, that is amazing patterns, and this is a mandala style animal coloring book and 227,485. That means this is good. I'm gonna keep it. Now I'm looking for my third book. You will scroll down and you can see I got one more book, that is amazing butterflies, and it is also a kind of amazing pattern. Okay, so when I am saying here amazing pattern, that could be like amazing animal pattern, amazing animal mandala style pattern, it could be amazing butterflies mandala style pattern. Okay, but the main keyword, that is amazing pattern, is the same, and you have to only focus on that. So obviously I got my three books, and if I want to scroll down, if I want to research further, I can do that as well. But as far as I have researched till yet, I find it profitable, and I can say that you can start working on this as well. So just in like couple of minutes, I got you two profitable keywords, sorry, niches. So you can go ahead and you can start working on. Similarly, it was all about coloring books for adults, right? Similarly, what you can do is you can move the word here adults from here and you can put children. Okay, best coloring books for children Amazon. You will scroll down and you will go into this, not into amazon.in. You will always choose amazon.com. Okay, now I got it. Similarly I will do the research here as well. Okay, You can see there are a lot of books here. We have already done this. Amazing animals. Let's do this. One, two, three things big and jumbo coloring book. Obviously, you have to check the trademark. So I do not think that it is a trademark, but make sure that you check it. I'm just gonna see on Amazon if it is profitable or not. Okay. So one, two, three things big and jumbo coloring book. Amazon is already supporting it. So you can see here they are also giving you suggestions for another keyword as well here, but I will stick to this one. And I can see that I got like 488 search results here. Here on the screen you can see, and I am now going to go for 3 books with BSR less than 300,000 or equal to 300,000. So I will move ahead. I'm not gonna take a sponsored one, so obviously I will ignore it. I got one book that is 103,661. Now next 111,153. Next 114,854. Okay, I already got 3 books. That means it is profitable. But remember, I just want to uh, give you some hack or a warning here. You can see these all, that is Salman Sally, and okay, this book is also her, Salman Sally. And let me see the original one that I got. It was also from Salman Sally. Okay, but I think I maybe I'm wrong, but as far as my experience is concerned, these 3 books are not owned by Salman Sally, because this book is owned by her, that is Salman Sally, but the rest of these 2 books with the same cover, same pen name. Here also you can see Salman Sally. I don't know what people are doing. Here also you can see Salman Sally. I will try to look into this. Let me see that what this person is up to. I know now, obviously, you got to know that this niche is profitable, but I want to make sure that these 3 people are the only one, because I think that they are just copying Salman Sally pen name and they are copying Salman Sally covers as well, or maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Okay, it is volume 1. Okay, that means she is only creating all these books with the same cover. That's why people are getting confused. Okay, never mind. I just thought that someone is copying her, because I have seen people doing that. Yeah, so that's fine. She's just creating different volumes over here. I just wanted to confirm, and it is fine. Okay. So from this niche also you can see that this particular individual, that is Salman Saleh, she is just doing great in this niche, because she has 3 or 4 books and they all are ranking very well, and they all books are doing good and they are making good amount of money for her. So I can see that you can try putting your creativity into this niche, obviously with some kind of another I would say cover ideas, because obviously you cannot copy her, although someone might be thinking of copying her, but do not copy her. Just create your own covers, because you can see this book is also 123 big and jumbo coloring book, and this person is also doing good, that is 181,374, and her and this person cover is also looking good. So you can use your own creativity rather than copying others. So I think you got the idea that what I was trying to say, and this is how you can also go ahead and you can look for some another titles in the Amazon bestsellers, and you can just start looking for the niches and do your research. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, please support my channel. Our channel is growing at very slow pace. I do not know why, but I'm trying to put great content on this channel, because when you subscribe, when you like, when you support my channel, it gives me like that kick, that motivation, that go ahead and create good quality content. This is what my brain suggests when I get support from you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching it, and I will see you in the next video.